Hey, what's good? So this is our next exercise. This is the rhythmic jumper squats. It's a very similar pattern to the Poliquin step. You may have seen the ATG and the knees over toe guys doing these, really big on Instagram right now. But essentially this is the same pattern, same movement pattern as the Poliquin step, but it's bilateral, so it's two-legged instead of one. Again, we've got the heel in a raised position and we're looking to get the knee over the toe. So in terms of setup, I'm using a plate right now to raise my heels. You need something that's going to raise your heels. In fact, this is slightly low. Honestly, this is a bit low. Probably a bit more like this sort of height would be more optimal, but this is what we're working with right now. We're going to be in this close stance, okay? I don't want your feet out like this. I don't want to see this. It's going to be like this. Now the plate isn't ideal because we actually would prefer something with a straight edge just to make sure that we can get in that position comfortably and not have any issues with sort of our feet rolling or anything like that. This is a very rhythmical and elastic exercise, so it's quick, short reps, and I want you to keep the weight fairly light, and we're going to keep the reps pretty high. We're going to go from sort of the 12 to 20 rep range, but I'll talk more about that in your instructions. So I'm going to do a working set now to show you, and then I'll finish talking about it. So as you can see, you need to really be smart about how you set up, because it can be quite difficult when you've got a load on your back. I don't want you to be reaching or tripping or anything like that. So you need to really consider how you set up before you start. Another thing you may have noticed is that because the weight's on my back, I have to do a bit of a hip hinge. So I'm not like this, okay? I'm not in this position. I'm going to bend slightly at the hips. You're going to have to use your glutes on this one, okay? I want you to feel it here and down in your quads and around your knees, okay? As always, if you have any knee pain that doesn't feel good, then stop, okay? Other considerations are that we're going to keep the weight light, like I said, but I'd probably start with a warm-up set with just the bar, really to sort of start feeling the technique. And then your first working set, you can use maybe sort of 10 kilograms and then start to increase it. I wouldn't go above 80 kilograms for now. Like I said, we're going to be keeping the rep ranges high, so we don't need to stress about a huge load. As always, if you have any questions, please just let me know and I can assist you.